articles a and the. In this video, we will learn about where to use a and the, and when to say the and when to say the. And at last, we will learn where not to use any articles. Use of a and an. Let's see where to use a, where to use an. A and an are indefinite articles. Indefinite means which is not specific. It can be used before countable singular noun. ऐसा noun जो कि count कर सके और वो एक ही है, not more than one. A or an before any noun actually means one. A chair means one chair. An egg means one egg. We cannot say a chairs or an eggs. As you all know, we have 26 alphabets, A to Z. N is used before vowel sound. पता है vowel sounds और swars इसका best friend है an. तो जब भी ये vowel की sound सुनता है, I'm talking about vowel sound. ए, ई, ओ, अ. ऐसी आवाज आने पर एन उसके पास जाएगा. सिंपल. A is used before consonant sound. और consonant sound या फिर व्यंजन का बेस्ट फ्रेंड है A. वो जब भी consonant की sound सुनता है तो उसके पास चला जाता है. Consonant sound मतलब ब, क, ड, etc. Let's take some examples जहाँ पे consonant sounds और सिर्फ व्यंजन सुनाई देते हैं. जैसे अ, ग, गर्ल. Mango. Snake. Table. Crow. Lion. Watch. Bottle. Let's see some tricky examples which starts with vowel पर sound consonant का आता है. तो friend भी consonant का आएगा. We use a union, a university, a European, a uniform, a unit, a euro. Because all these words starts with a vowel. But we don't hear the sound of vowel. We hear the sound of consonant. So we use friend of consonant. Let's take some examples जहाँ पे vowel है और sound भी vowel का ही है. जैसे an, umbrella, an, eraser, and owl, and aeroplane, and ostrich, and egg. Let's see some tricky examples which starts with consonant पर sound तो vowel का आता है. So friend भी vowel का आएगा. And honest, H is silent. And R, again H is silent. And honorable, H is silent. Use of the. The is a definite article. Definite means unique, specific, or there is only one in this world. The can be used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. The can also be used with singular and plural noun. Rule 1 for the use of the. Something that is unique, specific, definite, or there is only one in this world. For example, the sun, the Bible, the moon, the Red Fort, the Quran, the Taj Mahal, the Gita, and the earth. Rule 2 for use of the. When you talk about the same noun second time, let's check out with the examples. I bought a dress. Again, I am talking about the same dress. So I will say, the dress is beautiful. This is a dog. Again, I am talking about the same dog in next sentence. So, the dog is brown. I read your book. The book is interesting. They bought a car. The car is big. So, when we are talking about the same thing again, in the next sentence, then we will say the because it makes it specific about that thing. Rule 3 for use of the. With directions, we always use the. For example, the east, the west, the south, the north. Rule 4 for use of the. With rivers, oceans and seas. For example, the Yamuna, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea. Rule 5 for use of the. Before name of newspapers and magazines. For example, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Economic Times. Do you know why did I say the instead of the? That rule is at the end of the video. Rule 6. Before superlative degree of adjectives. For example, the tallest boy, the most interesting book, the best movie, the worst party. Rule 7. With names of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas, the Alps. Rule 8. Before adjectives which denotes whole class. For example, the poor, the rich, the blind. Here we are talking about the whole class of blind people. Rule 9. With names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. For example, the Rajdhani Express, the Titanic, the Air India. Rule 10. We use the with words like first, last, next, only, etc. For example, who is sitting on the last bench? Madhu is the only daughter of her parents. Rule 11. We use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. Means if you are talking to your friend about your school and you both know which school you are talking about, right? Let's see some examples. I am going to the bank. There is someone knocking at the door. I will ask the doctor. We went to the hospital. Now, let's learn when to say the and when to say the. Words that begins with the vowel sound, that is a, e, o, or you can say swar. We say the. Say for example, the earth, the Englishman, the internet. Words that begins with consonant sound, that is b, k, d, etc. Or else you can say vyanjan, sound of vyanjan. We say the. For example, The Taj Mahal, the Gita, the Red Fort. Omission of article means we don't use any articles here. Rule 1. No article is used with proper nouns. Say for example, Ashoka was a kind ruler. We don't use any article in front of Ashoka. New Delhi is the capital of India. We don't use any article in front of New Delhi. Rule 2. No article is used with abstract noun. Abstract noun means which we cannot touch or see. Say for example, beauty pleases our eyes. We cannot see and touch beauty. It's abstract noun. So, we don't use any article before beauty. Wisdom is admired everywhere. Wisdom, abstract noun. So, we don't use any article before wisdom. Rule 3. No article is used with nouns such as gold, silver, water, etc., which names material. Say for example, gold is expensive metal. We don't use any article before gold. Children should drink milk every day. We don't use any article before milk. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.